tires can fit on. 4 small tires. I dropped one. Yeah, 4 small tires and wheels. Two of these things, the tires can fit on to this arch thing. One door that opens to the left and one small door that opens to the right. 2 1x2 transparent bricks. They don't have to be red, but they have to be transparent. Well, they don't have to be transparent, but it's better if they are. 2 1x1 transparent studs. They don't have to be this color, but it's better if they're transparent. This brick that I forgot the name of. Two windows that are for cars. They can't really be that much of a slope, but yeah, they're still a slope. This brick, which is kind of like a 4x4, but it's for cars. This brick, I don't really know the names of all the bricks. It doesn't have to have the number plate, but it's better if it's like this. You can make it a smooth tile if you want. One 1x4 smooth tile. 2 1x3. 2 1x3 flat pieces. 2 2x2 flat pieces. Lots of 2s. 1 1x2 with 1 stud on top. And of course we need the steering wheel. All of these pieces don't have to be blue if you want, because I like blue, so I'm making it blue. If you like a different color or you don't have those color pieces, you can use different colors. Let's start building.